The first step is to download Quickstart from our download section. Then upload the file to the server via the file manager in the panel or via FTP. The next step is to unpack the files on the server. As you can see, these are standard WordPress installer files. Now let's go to the address of the page being installed and install WordPress according to standard procedure. We now go back to the file manager and rename the file from htaccess.txt to .htaccess. Let's log into the backend. Let's download the YOOtheme Pro web builder now and install it as a backend theme. We go to the template preview. Go to Settings, Advanced, and clean the cache. Then we activate and publish the theme. Thus the site was installed with all the features from our demo.